Beyond the cloud, the sun still shines. Beyond the
Hello guys, hello to your channel, Satellite Guide channel. So as we lastly said, today I'm going to show you guys how to search back your channels. So in case you mistakenly delete your channels while manipulating your remote control, so I'm going to show you how you can search them back without needing the help of a technician. And I'll also be showing you guys how to record your favorite TV shows, favorite TV program, movies, film in your USB key. So stay tuned for the practical section. Let's watch to the end. To search back your channels, if you look very well on your remote control, you will see a button. On it is written menu. You press on the menu button, this will appear on your screen. If you select OK, once you click on OK, the following is going to appear on your screen. If you want, you can select even this other one. You can select this one. You can select this one. You can select, and then once you have already selected the satellite you want to use, you click on the button. If you look very well on your remote control, you will see a blue button. There is blue, yellow, green, and red. You click on the blue button to scan. This is going to appear on your screen. This first one is the satellite you selected earlier. This second one, FTA only. If you answer yes, all the channels that you are going to capture during your research are going to be showing. And there are channels that no channel will have dollar sign on it. But if you click no, certain channels that will come might not show, will not even be showing, and there will be a dollar sign on it. So here is to select where if you want channels or radio station, or if you want both TV channels and radio stations. Then here if you want now, you can choose full scan or blind scan, but it's advisable to always choose full blind scan. So blind scan is the best. So once you have already selected, you come here and at search and click OK. That will be it for searching back your channels whenever you delete your channels. These are the channels searching. So that's it about searching your channels whenever you delete it. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Share to your friends so that you get notified whenever I post my next video.